Hello everyone. Today we will present about the architecture detailing in enhancing sustainability and productivity in building design and construction. In this presentation, me, Kari, Imo, Tanda, and Harini will present about the GEMO. Is a misuse of British office tower residential component development located in the Jurong Lake district of Singapore. It is opened on May 29, 2013, and it has 17-story building comprising shopping mall and office tower. Sustainable feature is the gem method reduces cement use by 20% during construction, and it is one of the more who using generative technology in elevator and sensor on escalator to reduce energy consumption. The first one is fire escape door near public walkway. The primary purpose is to delay fire smoke spread, protect escape routes, and allow safe evacuation from the building. The component, the door leaf and door seat is crucial for fire escape door. The door sheet is galvanized steel. The galvanization is a process of coating steel with zinc to long-term fire resistance, long lifespan, and to reduce maintenance, and it is cost-effective than stainless steel. The surface provides a good space for paint adhesion. The inner layer is solid core. It's to resist burning and heat transmission. They use an intermittent streak or sieve to delay the fire spread, and it provides 30 to 50 minutes of fire protection. As you can see, the signage are clear, indicated, and they use contrast color to ensure the visibility and easy to identify. One of the improvement needed is the keep plate. Better use clip plate with aluminum for maintenance, like stain or damage. Automatic slide door at handicap toilet. Primary purpose is ease of use, especially for people with physical disability, and there's no threshold, so it allows the smooth wheelchair access. In this slide door, they use the pocket door system, installing with ventilation fan and magnetic frame. The pocket door system is for space spacing and made ideal for modern interior. And the ventilation fan is to remove pollution, moisture, and odor, and it regulates indoor air temperature. The material is aluminum to lightweight, durable, and rust resistant. Another one is a magnetic frame. It's usually for door alignment and it can reduce noise and for the smooth closing and help door close automatically and securely. It reduces wear and tear, low maintenance, long lifespan. And as you can see, the switch button is visual friendly LCD indicator.
Hi, I'm doing roofing at facade. This is my roofing, or more precise, it's a canopy, located above the playground at level 5. They're using monolithic tempered glass. In case of breakage, it won't scatter on the ground. For the color of the glazing, the blue one is laminated and the green one is the natural color of the glass. There's also a low E glass, being 2000 mm long and 300 mm thick. The framing is made of aluminium, being lightweighted and hollow so the wires can run through for the fan. The framing size is about 1400 mm and 200 mm high. The whole structure is slightly linted towards the drain, so you can avoid pooling of water. This is my facade. They're using an aluminum composite panel for their cladding. The size varies throughout the Mall of Gem. The one I have an example is a 1200 mm length plus a 500 mm width and a 900 mm width. The sealant they use are made out of silicone. The one at Gem, the silicone at Gem probably seen better days, because from my last visit, it's been worn out, probably because of the weather or the wear and tear over time. This redesign of a facade at Gem from me. So you can't see in the picture, but another time I went there, it was filled with a pool of water at the bottom. So I was trying to put a drain at the bottom of the facade, while this in between gap I'll try and put some sealant in it. So I try to redraw it, keeping the shape, the out of shape look. So, but just fill up the gap and not really sticking outward that much, sticking inwards so you can still see the out of shape with a drain holes at the bottom so you can collect rainwater whenever it rains. Thank you.
I will explain about the detailing on two different types of ceiling. The first one is strict buffer ceiling and the second one is suspended ceiling. In this slide, I will explain about the strict buffer ceiling. It is an open type of ceiling. The aluminum buffer are installed with the spacings of 300 mm, and the dimension of each aluminum buffer is 1200 mm length and 16 mm width and 600 mm height. The aluminum buffer are supported by the two railings, and the railings and the aluminum buffer are hung by the hanger wire. And the hanger wire can be adjustable by the hanger clip, and the spacing between the two hanger wire is 1000 mm. Strict buffer ceiling offer a range of practical benefits like controlling acoustic, can reduce the noise level, and enhance the lighting. They are easy to install, easy to maintain, and easy to clean. So this makes them a practical choice for commercial and public area. And the combination of this type of ceiling and the glass roof allow for natural light to enter the mall, and it is more visually appealing. And building services like lighting, sprinkle, ventilation system can be installed between the grids, but it can be poor sound insulation. The second one is suspended ceiling. It is a false ceiling type. The installation of smoke detector, air vent, access panel, sprinkler system, aircon, and lightings are visible on the gypsum board. The gypsum plasterboard is 9 mm thickness and which is common in suspended ceiling due to its fire resistant and sound insulation properties. A break or an opening is provided between the plasterboards to allow the discharge of water in case of accumulation of water. This installation can prevent the collapse of ceiling. Supportive frames are installed with the not more than 12 mm for each section. Metal framework like aluminium or galvanized steel are installed to support the ceiling panel. The dimension is 1200 mm length and 16 mm width for each grade. These are different types of ceiling found at the JAMO: strip ceiling, exposed ceiling, integrated surface ceiling, suspended ceiling with different materials and shape, and the jointed ceiling.
I will present about the flooring at the gem mall. As you can see in the picture, the granite is used near the entrance walkway, and at the gem, and granite is used for entire mall except for the retail shop. The retail shop use different material. So the material is granite, the finish is matte, the dimensions are 600 to 600 mm, and slip rating is R10. Granite is heat resistant to high temperature, it doesn't wear down easily, and it is also water resistant, so it is ideal for commercial building, malls, and offices. With proper sealing, granite is resistant to stains. It requires regular cleaning to maintain its appearance against stains, and granite is available a wide range of color, patterns, and finish. The next one is the flooring used at the food court. Like high traffic area like food court, they use porcelain tile. The finish is also matte. The dimensions are 600 to 600 into 200 mm. The slip rating is also R10. For porcelain tile, minimum thickness is 8 mm for better functional usage. So porcelain tiles are non-porous and it does not absorb liquids or stain unlike and seal granite, so it is easy to clean, and it also has white side and finish, and they have many colors, patterns, and texture. But for porcelain tile, the grout lines require maintenance. As I mentioned before, the granite is used in the walkway, and the the retail shops use different materials. So for the transition strip, this is just like in the picture. This is the detailed drawing of tile transition strip between the porcelain tile and granite. There is the strip, and it's just in the, this is the 2D picture. This is the floor, and these two are the different material, and in the middle is the tile transition strip. It has to be the same thickness so that the people will not trip over when they step on. And also in the footcourt, they use porcelain tile, but at the interval, they use mosaic flooring, and it's made the contrast. And this one is the luminous skirting. This is the detailed drawing of the luminous skirting, and this is the floor, and this is the luminous skirting. So what are the benefits of using luminous skirting? Luminous skirting, it does not crack over time. It can wipe easily, so it's perfect for moss when mopping is frequent. It's lightweight and easy to install, and it is eco-friendly.
So for me, I'm doing toilet fitment. So this toilet is located at the playground, near playground. So this is for the mom and children. It's like the family toilet, and you can see there's two water closet, and in between the water closet is about 800 mm distance, and you can see the wall is a porcelain tile. Finish is like semi-polished or polished. The floor is porcelain type. Finish is matte. Slip resistant is R9. The dimension of the floor is 300 by 300 mm, and you can see there's toilet component which have toilet paper dispenser, waste respectable hand dryer, water closet, and yeah, so these are the dimension that I got from this toilet. And yes, so for this slide, I couldn't go to the handicap toilet because it was under maintenance, and I managed to find some of the detailed drawing from the web. And you can see from the left side of the slide, this wash basin. This wash basin is from the previous slide, the toilet. The dimension from the floor to the basin for adults is about 800 mm, and then for the children to use is 600 mm. And the wash basin is the material used is for is vitreous china or porcelain. It is 500 mm width. And for the handicap toilet, these are the detailed drawing that I found, and yeah.
And this is the outdoor playground, which is located near outside of food court and near landscape area. It is a place to have a chance for visitors to learn about local ecosystem and the importance of biodiversity.
GEM is sustainable with the features like green roof and particle green walls. Having the glass roof also allows the sunlight to enter the mall, and it is good for natural lighting, can reduce the reliance on artificial lighting. And double glass and shading device can reduce the heat gain, and it also reduces the reliance on air conditioning system. And thank you very much.